everyone and welcome aboard. In today's video we are going to learn how to make face drawing with proportions. Materials required for the same are drawing sheet, pencil and eraser and scale. So let's begin. Here is a reference picture. First off, we are going to start by drawing on our drawing sheet. We are going to make a big oval starting from here using our pencil. This big oval will be the head of our female. After that, we are going to mark it as head. Now it's time to make a line in between vertically, which will eventually divide our face into a half. First we are going to draw it roughly, then we are going to use a scale and make it perfect. Draw a straight line going through the center so that it symmetrically divides the face into two parts. Then make an intersecting line on the top half of the oval, which will be the area for our eyes, and underneath that we are going to give it another line, leaving a bit space. On the lower part we are going to make another line like this, leaving a proper distance between the eye part and the nose part. Here we are going to draw the nose, and underneath that we are going to make another line to draw our lips over here. Now starting from the point of our lines for eyes, we are going to make an ear which will end near the line for the nose. Mark the areas around the nose part to have a clearer vision to make the ears, which will be easier to do. For the eyes, we are going to take distancing according to the pencil by taking at least this much area, and we are going to make one eye of this distance. Leave the same gap in the between and then start the other eye. Again, we are going to take the same distance. On the end of the distance, you are going to mark the beginning of the other eye. Place our pencil over there again with the same distance and mark it again. Now we are going to make our eyes like this by joining the two points. On the same process we are going to make the other eye, and then we are going to give the eye a pupil, basically a round circle inside the fish-like structure. Under it, give it one more circle smaller in size to make the eyeballs complete, and then above it we are going to give it an eyebrow like this. Give it a little arch in the between like this, and it should be simmer in one end and broader in one end, and we are going to make this part of the eye and repeat the same process on the other eye. Now it's time for the nose. For the nose, we are going to make a U in the middle of the two lines which is intersecting, and then we are going to make two mountain-like structures joining from there, and then curve the two from the ends like this. Remember, the nose shouldn't be too broad. Then from the eye, we are going to make lines like this, and then you can stretch it from the eyebrows. It will be a better thing to do. Make a bit shading in the U part so that it can give the shadow of the lines we made. And we are going to make the two holes of our nose like this on the curved parts. For the lips, we are going to first make a M above the line we made for our lips, or you can say that we are going to make two mountain-like structures like this and spread it out a little bit. And for the bottom lips, we are going to make three curvy wave like this and join the two like this, and see, the curvy wave is over here. And in the middle, we are going to make a line first like this. Then we are going to give it a little bit curve towards the top area from two sides like this to give that little bulge over the middle part of the lips to give it a proper shape. Now remove all the extra lines and it's time to make hairline. For hairline, we are going to simply first draw a rough outlining of the hair. Do a middle part from the forehead area by leaving a little bit forehead, and then we are going to extend by drawing in another middle part rough a little bit above the head, the skull area we made before. Rub it away, and then we are going to continue making our hair. Doing the hair, we are going to give our eyes eyelashes and a little bit more different shading so that it looks better, something like this. Also do a little bit shading inside the nose part. Now the final look. Goodbye and thanks for watching.